Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. I am back with another video, and this time it's a beauty recommendations video because every time there's sale time, I really think you guys should stock up on your beauty favorites, and it's the best time. Why not save some money when you're buying your favorites or want to try some new products? This favorites video will have all the products. It's skincare, it's makeup, it's perfumes, it's pretty much everything under the sun. I literally just went to my makeup vanity and picked up everything I had been using a lot lately, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So literally that simple. My bed is full of lots of amazing products right here, most of them that are currently constantly being used and are my favorites. So yes, without further ado, let me take you through my Nykaa Pink Summer Sale recommendations. This is a bag that I also received where a lot of my favorites were already in it. This is the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale goodie bag, and you guys know how much I love to pick up stuff from Nykaa because literally one-step shop and you get everything. So I will take you through everything that is there in this bag and my recommendations both. Without further ado, let's jump into my beauty recommendations from Nykaa. Let's start with some face cleansers. First is the Lotus Splash by 82 East. Now this is I think all of 82 East products, why they are so good is because they're so gentle and they just do the job. And a face cleanser really needs to be gentle and it really needs to do the job well, and that's what this cleanser does. Smells amazing. Both me and my husband are actually using this and we really like it. If you're looking for a nice cleanser with really good ingredients, this is a good cleanser to try. The other no-nonsense cleanser, I am new to this brand but I have fallen in love with it. That's CeraVe. I know it's an international drugstore favorite, but since the time it was launched in India, I have been obsessed with this cleanser. Literally every time I travel anywhere, this is what goes in my bag. My husband loves it. Every time he tells me to just reorder this cleanser. It's really amazing. It's really hydrating and it's really lightweight and just damn good. So this is definitely a cleanser I would highly recommend you to try. I've finished 2-3 bottles and I love this mini one also because it just fits everywhere. Even when you're heading out on a long day and you want to just freshen up, you want that little mini cleanser in your bag, this is a cleanser we always keep. Absolutely love it. Must try. You guys know how much I love the Ordinary products and I still am obsessed with them. The niacinamide is something I've started to use now because it helps in getting rid of pigmentation and dark spots, and I was noticing certain pigmentation spots on my face, so I've additionally added this to my hyaluronic acid. Both of these are something they're staples in my everyday skincare routine and I use them every day, so I wanted to link them here. I'm going to mention all the links down below. These are amazing. Ordinary is a no-nonsense skincare brand. Highly effective and I love. And toner I am obsessed with. Now this is a new addition to my skincare routine and I've been loving this. This is the Laneige Cream Skin. This is the Serapeptide Refiner. It's like basically it's a combination of a toner cum moisturizer. It's like a cream toner sort of a thing. It's like a milky liquid, guys, and I absolutely, you can see it's like a watery milky liquid. So this has become the first step of my skincare routine. After I cleanse my skin, I just rub it on my hands and apply it on my face. I actually right now do not have makeup on except lip balm and some sunscreen, but this has become like one of those toners which works very well, very smoothing on the skin, and I'd heard a lot about it and this is totally worth the hype. This is so lightweight, so hydrating, especially in the summer heat or any weather. If you're looking for a nice toner that evens your skin out and feels amazing and hydrating on your skin, this is the toner. I love it. Highly recommend. One makeup remover I'm obsessed with, and I've actually done a lot of Instagram videos on this, but I don't think I've really spoken about it on my YouTube. This is a brand called Farmacy and this is their award-winning makeup removing balm. It's called Green Clean. It's a basically makeup melt away cleansing balm. Has an amazing like sorbet like texture and it smells like ice cream only, like a sorbet only, and this is a fabulous cleanser. Farmacy products are slightly on the pricier side. That's definitely not an affordable brand, guys, but this is well worth your money. If you are tired of using makeup removers that are too oily or too greasy on your skin, this is the makeup cleanser you are looking for. This will melt away all your makeup and it refreshes your skin like how. I love using it. This is my second bottle and I'm obsessed. one makeup balm I highly recommend you to try. It's this one. Especially if you want to double cleanse your skin, this is something you definitely need. It will deeply cleanse your skin nicely and while leaving your skin nourished and refreshed. It's fab. I'm highly recommending this. The other makeup remover you guys know I'm obsessed with. In fact, I've finished so many bottles. Is the Garnier Micellar Water and Oil all-in-one. This is the one I've just finished. I've already ordered the second, and I wanted a smaller size, but I mean, I don't know. For me, my eye makeup, for all my makeup, because I do so many shoots, so many things, this is the makeup remover I always go back to. It's fabulous. So yes, very well priced, does the job so well, perfectly well, and just one swipe and it'll remove all your stubborn makeup, cleanses your skin very well. One of the best makeup removers I feel out there. It's this one. Have to get this. Kind of like anti-aging serum, or a serum that is just to prevent signs of aging. It's been this, and again I also want to show you products that I've been using over time. This is a copper peptide serum from Amino. This is my new box. I've already finished 2-3 of them, and I just find it very good on my skin, and this really helps you in preventing signs of aging, and it's really nice on the skin and really improves your skin. So loving it. So the one sunscreen I'm loving lately, I just feel that creamy sunscreens in this summer heat are just too much on the skin. This is the Biore UV Watery Essence SPF 50 PA++ sunscreen. I've heard a lot about this brand called Biore. I think Biore. I love it. This has been my go-to this summer. It's so smooth. The texture is amazing. You can see this is how it is, and it is really nice. And you know, you don't want to layer up too much skincare during this time. So again, very lightweight and really good on the skin, and gives you the sun defense that you need. So this is a sunscreen I highly recommend you to try. Super lightweight, super hydrating, no white cast of course, because it's like water based, and it is so good. Must try. I'm almost over with it. I'm definitely ordering this. You guys know how much I love the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is a restock, and this is the only moisturizer I wear all year round, and it works very well on my skin. So if you're looking for that one moisturizer, I highly recommend you to try the Clinique Moisture Surge. It comes with an SPF also, but I like the basic one. Really hydrating. Literally, it's like water on your skin, and it's just so smooth on your skin. Love it. I'm wearing it right now also. I wear it every day, so it's really nice. I'm going to move to base products. As you can see, lots of base products here in my hand, but these are pretty much my go-to base products lately. I'm going to start with skin tints. I have 3 skin tints that I have finished bottles of, and I still restock and love. One is the House of Makeup skin tint. You guys have seen my skin tint video. Till date, one of my favorite skin tints, gives me that radiant glowy finish on my face. Not very heavy on the skin. One of the best skin tints out there. So definitely I highly recommend you to try it if you're looking for that one creamy skin tint, lightweight sun skin tint that gives you a beautiful glow. This is the one. Then of course, and always use this Smashbox Halo has also been one of my favorite skin tints. It's a tinted moisturizer with SPF. Very lightweight on days when I really don't feel like putting anything. This is lighter than the House of Makeup skin tint. They both are at par, but I can't decide a favorite honestly. In fact, all 3 of them, but I prefer these 2 as my top ones. And then this is closely becoming my favorite at the same level. But yes, the Smashbox Halo again is super lightweight, gives you a beautiful radiant finish, very lightweight, and it's perfect. So if skin tints are your thing and you don't want too much coverage, these skin tints work amazing. Last, I am loving the Vitamin Enriched Skin Tint by Bobbi Brown. This has become a new favorite. In fact, I'm almost over with this, and I've literally gone to this for almost every day. Every time I was heading out for a coffee. The texture is amazing. The finish is fabulous. So totally love it. The Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. Again, years of me recommending you guys this product. Also shows the consistency at which I stick to my favorites. This is the product I will always use because it gives me a fabulous glow. I think I'd have used it today also because I had a shoot before this. Love it. If you want a nice glowy base, so right before you apply your base, this is the product you want to put. Fabulous, well worth your money for that fabulous glow. Now in terms of concealers, the 2 concealers I've been loving. One is the House of Makeup concealer. Again, House of Makeup has slowly become a favorite in my life. Totally love their products. This concealer is creamy and it is so good on the skin. I literally wear it almost every day. I've finished a lot of tubes of this. Love it. And the other has also been an age-old favorite. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind. As you can see, I'm almost over with it. Very lightweight and does the job. Covers your flaws, under eye circles or pimple marks. This is literally one of the best concealers out there. So if you're looking for a lightweight concealer that does the job, Maybelline is fab. Now the one foundation that has literally blown me away, I thought it was just a hype because everyone was talking about it. Suddenly, you know how brands do campaigns and literally every blogger is talking about it. So I thought it's one of those, but oh my god guys, the new Maybelline Lumi Matte foundation is well worth the hype. Firstly, under 1000 rupees. This is gonna be one of the best foundations you've used. It's medium coverage, you can build it up. The most glowy, beautiful coverage out there. I've been wearing this so much everywhere I go. I'm in the shade 125. I'll link everything down below guys. This is a foundation I highly recommend. If you are looking for that one foundation you can wear every day, this is that. It's lightweight, it's long lasting, and it's got a beautiful finish. Again, my kind of natural glowy finish. This is the foundation I highly recommend. Highlighters, and then we can move to lipsticks and then the eye products maybe. Okay. These are the three brushes I have used the most in the last 2 years. Literally nothing has happened to them and they are rock solid. This I've been using for 10 years. This for 2-3 years. This for again 2-3 years. This is a PAC foundation brush that I love. I think I keep buying foundation brushes, but I keep going back to this one because I think it's very dense in terms of the bristles and just does the job very well. Absolutely love it. One of the best investments I've made is this PAC foundation brush. The number is already gone, so I will link it down below for you guys to see. The MAC 217 eyeshadow brush, nothing beats this. 10 years of using this brush and this is worth the money spent. I think I bought that time, I must have bought it for 22 or 2500. But guys, imagine 10 years of using this brush and it is still the best eyeshadow brush ever. So please get this. And last is this PAC 214 brush. This is like an angular brush that I use for all my blush application, and because it's angled it just applies the blush so well and the bristles are really soft and really dense. And this is again one of my favorite go-to blush brushes. Must have. Last, in terms of makeup application, this PAC Pizza Puff. Again, I've spoken so much about this in all of my videos guys. One of the best I've used. So after I use the PAC foundation brush to apply all the base products, I always ensure to apply the concealer and then just blend everything up with this, and I just keep dabbing this in all the places and just doing this, and this gives my face and my foundation such a natural and perfect coverage basically. So yes, this it already has a lot of product. I use this a lot guys, needs to wash, but I love this Pizza Puff. Next I have lip balms. You guys know how much I love the Vaseline Lip Therapy. Again, one of the best lip balms. I'm actually wearing it right now. Affordable and one of the best. The strawberry shade, is it strawberry? No, Rosy Lips is one of my favorites and it's fab. And I mean, just get this you need to have in. I literally have one in every bag. The other lip product I'm loving is this lip smoothie, apple lip smoothie by Pharmacy. Again, I received it in a PR for a collaboration and I've been loving it. It's one of the smoothest lip masks, or you can say lip balms ever, and it just feels so good. The texture is like melt on the lips, you can see. I am not trying all the products guys because then the video is going to be endless, but these are from the heart recommended products, so just go get them. This lip balm, fabulous. It must be a little more pricey than the Vaseline one of course, but it's fab. The eye pencil I've been using to do smoky eyes and all kind of kajal is this MAC Color Access. It's so nice and black and jet black and like so pigmented. It's fabulous. My brows, I only use precisely my brow pencil from Benefit. Nothing beats this. The spoolie is fabulous and this is fabulous. So totally love this. The only brow product I use for my brows, and I think nothing beats this. Get this guys. The eyeliner I use is the Better Than Sex chocolate liner. It is fab. I just feel jet black is not great for Indian skin. Brown works fab. This is by Too Faced. Fabulous again. And my favorite mascara currently is the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Mascara. I think nothing beats this mascara. It's one of the best mascaras out there. Close your eyes and buy this. You will thank me later. The liquid highlighter from K Beauty is what I'm loving. This is the shade Champagne. Fabulous. If you're looking for that nice highlighter for your face, you can literally use it on all the high points of your face. This is the one. You can see how nice it is. It blends like magic and it has like this beautiful shine on. This gives like this beautiful shine on the skin. This is fab. Then in terms of blushes, I love the Blush Bomb by Makeup Revolution. Again, liquid blush, fabulous. I love the Simply Nam blush. I couldn't find it. I'm definitely linking down below. If you like a nice creamy blush, the Simply Nam blushes, you have to have one. Then Nude Sticks is fabulous if you are looking for a nice blush. This is the shade Bohemian Rose and just look at the color. I love this. I'm almost over with it, but it is such a nice blush to have if you like cream products, because I mostly use cream products. This is fab. The Blush Bomb in Rose Lust is fab, and this last, the Beauty Wand Glowgasm by Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade Pinkgasm. Of late I've been using this a lot and it gives like a glowy dewy blush color. It's fabulous. In terms of lip liners, I have two lip liner recommendations. One is the MAC Soar. This you guys have to have. It's the perfect pink lip liner. I wear it every day. And the other is the Huda Beauty Pinky Brown shade. They both are two lip liners you need to have in your collection. They are fabulous. Another eye product that I highly recommend, especially if you're lazy to do eye makeup, is this Kiro Beauty Longwear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick. This is in the shade Sandy Copper and it's a beautiful shade. I literally just wear this and smudge it and it is amazing. So just a very natural color that you can wear on your eyes. In terms of perfumes, I have two Jo Malone perfumes. I'm hoping it's available on Nykaa. These are the two perfumes that I love and I wear them so much. One is the Wood Sage and Sea Salt. Smells incredible. Jo Malone is an investment. Gift yourself a Jo Malone if you can. Fab. And the other is the Peony and Blush Suede if you like a little floral scents. These two are one of my favorite scents. I always go to them. And last, if you like rose, I love this fragrance of rose in my perfumes. This is the Lancome Idole and it is one of the best perfumes I've used. I'm on my third. It smells incredible and it literally from far you can smell this and it's so good. This is a must have. Okay, I have a lot of lipsticks, so we'll make it quick. Color Chemistry Lip Crayon in the shade Cinnamon is that perfect pinky nude that you need to have. It is incredible, like so good. I'm showing you swatches. This is Cinnamon in the shade. And this is Cinnamon from Color Chemistry. It's fabulous. You can never go wrong with a Gulabe. You have to have Gulabe in your collection. So if you don't have the Smashbox Gulabe, get it. Look at this color. It's so pretty. Lovely. And they have minis also, so you can always get them. Of course, love the new MAC Maximal lipstick. There's the shade Velvet Teddy you can always get. But this is a shade Tweak Twist, which is also in a very pretty pink shade. You can see. The formula is much better and it is so good. Another of my favorite lipsticks is this Pat McGrath lipstick. I literally save it for a special day. This is in the shade Fembot and it is an incredible color. As you can see, I'm leaning towards pink tones a lot because I wear a lot of pink tones. This is Fembot. Incredible lipstick. One of the best lipsticks I've ever bought. The new Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks are incredible. I've recently got this shade called 90s Pink. While Pillow Talk I feel can wash out a lot of people, this will never wash out anyone because it's an incredible pink. Again, very good. Charlotte Tilbury might also be still on discount, so you can check it out. Again, so many nice pinky shades, but this is what suits me, guys, so love it. So I'm moving to the last two products because this is never ending. I think Simply Nam as a brand is fabulous for all things beauty, whether it's their lip butters like these or it's their blushes. You have to have them. You have to try them and you'll understand. These are the hydrating lip butters. This is the shade Rani and it is such an incredible shade. All the formula of this is so good, and look at this color. Again, beautiful. So this is the shade Rani and they are so smooth on the lips. Very long lasting. Highly recommend. And last, guys, is a makeup setting spray. I use this every time I do my makeup. This is the MAC Fix Plus Stayover and it's fabulous. So those were some of my Nykaa sale recommendations for you guys. These are some of my favorite beauty products and because it's sale time, it's the best time to stock up, so do stock them up. They're amazing, they're tried and tested, and I love them. And if you're beauty and makeup lover like me who likes minimal and good natural makeup, this is the kind of products you will love to use, and they're worth your investments. So yes guys, go on, I'm linking all these products down below. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.